What is up? Chico's Cuban Collector here, and we are live from Miami. And as you see, it is raining, pouring outside. It's calmed down a little, but it's pouring. So today I won't be having my cigars and cards on Sunday, because yeah, it's raining outside. But I got some cards to share. So let's get into it on the next clip. So chicos, we got the Cuban crack right there, and the mail is from Jeff Airtime. So on Sundays in the morning, he does a game show, a little trivia to see your knowledge in the sport, and then you just answer the question. And if you get it right, you win. But he's telling me this. As you see, he kind of knows what I like. PC Cuban players and team players and things like that. So says a Cuban collector, I really enjoy your channel. You always keep it fun. Thanks for entering my giveaway. Jeff Airtime cards with the auto. So thanks Jeff for sending this in my way. So let's take a look at the first. So we got some sport illustrated, a bunch of them actually. So we have Giancarlo Stanton with the Marlins. It's always cool to have. Crosby. We have a Lamar Jackson, which he plays for the Ravens now, but he's also from here in Miami, from Pompano Beach. We have a Derrick Henry, which he is with the Thailands, also a Florida boy. We have Porciskins. Oh, we got a Trout, Mike Trout. Other Trout. We have a Eli Manning in Mississippi. So this one's really cool actually. And more of the hockey. So that's cool. Let's see the next one. Oh no! Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, he's like almost fell inside of the coffee. Oh man, this is cool. Okay. So we have for the Cuban and PC, Alexis Ramirez with the White Sox, which the White Sox have a history of signing Cuban players. I believe now there's a total of 6 of them actually on the roster. Another team that has signed a bunch of Cuban players in the past were the Washington Senators and the Cincinnati Reds, which they actually have now like 3, I believe. So then we have a Jason Kidd in Cal. It's also, then he sent me a PC player card. So we got a rookie card of Topps Finest, my PC player, Jose Fernandez. So he does pays attention to what I collect We have this guy. I remember him, Barry Aceto. I think he's Italian or something. He kind of looks Italian. And Ben Cheats. And then we got another guy. I did not have any of his rookies at all. I have his cards with the Heat, but not with Charlotte. So he is a Hall of Famer and a one-time NBA champion with the Heat in 2006. Alonzo Mourning rookie, and it looks really clean actually. And here's at the back. So yeah, these are some really cool gifts I got. So Jeff, I thank you very much for sending this in my way. I really do appreciate it, especially PC guys, the Alonso, the Ramirez, the Jason Kidd, and the Sports Illustrated is also nice. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna drop a link below for you to watch his shows on Sundays and enter for a chance to win some cool gifts. So that's gonna be it, you guys. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to stay humble and stay positive, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.